For a long time, power has always been one of the biggest challenges traveling by car. This time, I want to start a series about solar power. I'll break it down into 3 videos, step by step, based on real-world use and real experience. I've been planning to start my van life. But during my normal 9 to 5 routine, I don't want to raise the height of my car because it would make city parking a lot harder. I want all the modifications in my car to be fully detachable and able to be restored to stock within half an hour so the car can flexibly adapt to different lifestyles. First of all, the issue of daily power consumption has to be solved. Without a doubt, installing solar panels is the best solution. However, I didn't want to use the traditional roof rack or crossbar setup. Instead, I chose rigid solar panels that sit close to the car body. This allows me to keep the overall height of the car under 1.85 meters, avoiding height restrictions in city parking structures. It also helps reduce wind noise while driving and keeps the car's profile clean and streamlined, which improves efficiency and reduces fuel consumption. To ensure structural rigidity, I used 2 strong aluminum extrusions to secure it and form a solid, modular structure. I then drilled the aluminum extruded strip and used pipe clamps, screws, and nuts to secure the solar panel module to the roof rails. Route the wiring through the factory channels inside the vehicle body. Connect solar charge controller. The system feeds into a lithium battery for energy storage while remaining easy to disassemble or upgrade later on. Considering the limited roof space on my car, I use a 370-watt monocrystalline solar panel measuring 90 by 198 centimeters with an output voltage of up to 40 volts DC. That's why I went with a 24-volt lithium battery system. Under good sunlight conditions, it can generate up to approximately 3.5 kilowatt hours per day without inverter losses. Therefore, my battery setup uses a 24-volt 140 amp hour lithium battery for all the electrical appliances in the car. I choose 12 or 24-volt DC equipment similar to what's commonly used in large trucks. This allows me to completely avoid AC power since inverter losses are simply too high. That's an overview of the details and process behind my solar panel setup. Now it's time for the real-world test. I drove over 100 kilometers to the Pacific coast, reaching speeds of up to 110 km per hour. It was a windy day, but when I arrived, all the screws were still secure and none had loosened. No significant wind noise was observed, and fuel consumption was unaffected. The structure seems strong, but I'll keep checking and make sure the screws stay tight. This completes the first step of my DIY minivan solar power system. In upcoming videos, I'll provide further explanations and real-world tests, and I'll also install the system on different types of vehicles.